Today I'm going to show you how to do a hand swipe for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a hand swipe, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop round off down. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Now when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance looking forward. You're going to start to turn your shoulders and reach for the ground and look at the ground behind you. At the same time, you're also going to start lifting your swing leg up and bringing it around. Then you're going to push through your toes off your other foot, make sure both hands get on the ground, and then finish the move landing in a backside stance. Now you can also do this move with a follow through at the end. You can add a spin in front of it, or you can do a spin and follow through together. And I do recommend that you get used to all of those because we are going to be doing them later on in combinations. Quick little tip for this move. When you start to go back for it, it's okay to turn your outside foot a little bit just until you get used to it, and then you can start trying to start more from a backside and then kind of just keep working it that way. Also make sure that you're keeping your arms nice and firm, pushing through your shoulders so you don't hurt your arms, and really focus on kicking that swing leg through as hard as you can because that is what gets you over mostly on this trick. Also a very good prereq to get for this move is a back swipe, so if you do not have that, I recommend you get that. You can click right there for that video. Let's go ahead and check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. And if you would like to become a patron, which would be awesome, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so you can excel at sport. Next, we'll be going over a master scoot, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz.
Upraiz of Daz.